Hello everyone, welcome to ICS conference. Thank you for review and accept our paper at this event. My name is Asri Safrinawati from Polytechnic State Batam and my partner Mega Mayasari from Polytechnic State Batam will presentation our paper with title Student Satisfaction in Using Mobile Learning at Higher Educational Institution. Okay, let's start. Nowadays, the development of technology are rapidly changing. The rapid development of technology has made the learning system in higher education significantly changed. Learning system is not only done manually, but it can perform using technology. This learning system is also called e-learning. Learning management system with Moodle can be accessed via personal computer and the laptop. Currently, e-learning can be accessed from mobile. E-learning is a web-based learning ecosystem for the dissemination of information, communication, and knowledge for education and training. E-learning has many benefits in the world of education. Students can be access e-learning with their mobile without having to be on campus. E-learning access that can be reached anywhere makes it easier for students to get information about course material. Advances in e-learning technology have also made Batam State Polytechnic implement electronic-based learning since 2007. Students use e-learning as a means to get material from lecture, do quiz and examination using e-learning, and can upload a segment on e-learning. The existence of this facility makes it easier for students to learn without having to meet face-to-face in the class. Not only Batam State Polytechnic, several private colleges in Batam use e-learning for teaching and learning, but also Putra Batam University. Students Batam State Polytechnic and Putra Batam University always access e-learning using smartphone to get information about their learning. No need to come to campus. Students can immediately see the less information from lecture for learning. Students also enjoy learning through e-learning without having face-to-face at the class. The purpose of these studies is the first, to examine the factors that influence satisfaction of using mobile learning. Second, to consider whether there is a difference between the use of mobile learning between students at state and private higher educational institutions. Research on the use of e-learning and mobile learning has been widely studied before. Research Sulaiman and Dusty 2018 regarding satisfaction and factor of using mobile learning show the result that female student and quiet nationality students are more satisfied with mobile learning for education compared to students who are not quite national. The factors used to predict student whose satisfaction are user convenience, internet speed, smartphone portability, and layout design. After that, research of Fauzia and Sembiring 2017 showed that learning using e-learning with user convenience, form accuracy, speed of responding, and privacy security has a positive effect on student satisfaction and significantly influence the speed of responding and privacy security variables. Okay, next, in this case we have 5 hypotheses. First, user has an effect on satisfaction. Second, internet speed has an effect on satisfaction. Third, smartphone portability has an effect on satisfaction. Fourth, layout design has an effect on satisfaction. And 5, the difference in satisfaction of the use of mobile learning between students in public and private college in Batam. After that, we are going to method. The research method used in this study is a quantitative approach to testing hypotheses, solving formula with an error level of 10%. The minimum sample is 184 respondents. Sampling in this study used purposive sampling judgment with the criteria of students who have been studying for at least 1 year and who frequently access e-learning through smartphone. The questionnaire was adopted from Al-Qahtani and Muhammad 2015 and Sulaiman and Dasti 2018. Let's see the table. This is the result after process data with SPSS. The result of the multiple regression test in the table show that the ease of use variable has significant value of 0.005, which is below 0.05, so it can be concluded that hypothesis 1 is supported. The result of this study indicate that ease of use has an effect on student satisfaction in using mobile learning. Davis 1986 explained that the right benefits and proper use determine individual attitudes, which will determine the individual's intention to use a system. Ease of use of good mobile learning will increase student satisfaction. Students also find it easier to learn and more efficient by using smartphone, coupled with easy-to-use mobile learning. And then the result of multiple regression tests in the table show that the internet speed variable has a significant value of 0.000, which is below 0.05, so it can be concluded that hypothesis 2 is supported. This study also found that internet speed affects student satisfaction. Davis 1986 explained that technology acceptance model can explain the main factor of information technology user behavior of the acceptance of information technology user. Internet speed is the one of the factor for user satisfaction in using mobile learning. Okay, next, the result of the multiple regression test in the table indicate that smartphone portability variable has a significant value of 0.308, which is above 0.05, so it can be concluded that hypothesis 3 is not supported. In addition, this study also proves that smartphone portability doesn't affect student satisfaction, cause that smartphone portability variable is not a factor that can affect student satisfaction in using mobile learning. This is because in the indicator of students' ease of charging, students state that they feel they disagree with statement if they have problem charging their smartphone on campus. From the answer of students who often access e-learning, they have no problem when charging their smartphone on campus. Students can still access e-learning easily without having problem with charging on campus. Research using smartphone portability variable was first investigation by Sulaiman and Dusty 2018. Research by them which state that smartphone portability affects student satisfaction. The satisfaction of using mobile learning is inseparable from the facilities that support mobile learning facilities as well as external supporting factor, one of which is smartphone portability. Smartphone portability will affect mobile learning user satisfaction. And then the result of multiple regression tests in the table show that the layout design variable has a significance value below 0.05, so it can be concluded that hypothesis 4 is supported. Layout design affects student satisfaction. The better layout design of the mobile learning display will increase the satisfaction of students who use mobile learning. Davis 1986 explained that usability and ease of use are significant determinants of technology acceptance or adoption. Technology acceptance model can explain the main factor of information technology user behavior toward acceptance of information technology user. Attracting user interest cannot be separated from the design that has been made to attract the intention of user. From the table, it can be explained that the result not significant value of 0.113, which can be concluded that there is no any difference in satisfaction between state college students and private college students, which means hypothesis 5 is not supported. Brun 1966 explained that motivation in learning using the system will result in user feeling satisfaction with the system. Currently, the use of a smartphone is a necessity so that it is inherent in students. Students feel ease of use the mobile learning and is not related to the facilities provided by the campus. This has caused not any difference in satisfaction between public or private campus. Okay, we are going to conclusion. The main objective of this study is to determine the factor that influence student satisfaction in using mobile learning. With the variable ease of use, internet speed, smartphone portability, and layout design to satisfaction of students of state and private college in Batam, and examine the difference between the two groups. This study also found that there were not any difference in satisfaction between students of state and private college in Batam. So it can be said that state and private college students feel the same satisfaction in using mobile learning. In the future, studies are recommended to increase the number of samples in the study, reducing the standard of error in determining the number of samples. In addition, future research is expected to add another college to be used as research sample, and the next research should involve other factors that can affect student satisfaction in using mobile learning. Okay, we are done to presentation our paper. We really sorry to make any mistake. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy our presentation. Thank you.